It's the second week in January. It's 73 degrees out, and we got something to refurbish. Stay tuned. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Paul Knapp coming to you once again from the Man Cave, and it is 73 degrees in January. I'm not sure if this is an Indian summer or what's going on here, but I'm going to take advantage of this weather, and I got some painting to do here. I got to refurbish this ATV into something useful. You've seen me do this before, so thought I'd take advantage of this weather that we're going to have for the next couple days and do some painting outside. So follow me along on this project as we go to refurbishing an ATV. Alright guys, so here you go, the finished product. It is about 95% complete, if you will. I'm still waiting for the tie downs, I guess you would call those, on the sides. Hector is getting me those now, and they should be in the mail this week. But other than the two black tie downs, really, everything is done. I really like how this orange color came out. Really, really nice. Got the can right here for you. It's Rust-Oleum, if you're interested, gloss orange. And man, I think that's just sharp. It's probably nicer than the original troubleshooter orange color. All these decals were done by Hector Ortiz. So he has an Etsy store. Make sure you get with Hector if you'd like to do the same thing. Now he did change the decal here because I wanted this incident response vehicle as opposed to the tracker. But you can get him to put any name on there that you want to call your ATV when you do your conversion. I also had him get one of his satellite boxes, storage containers, and the satellite is inside. Perfect fit. Very nice. So yeah, so other than the tie downs, we are complete with this job. I love this back too because I kind of messed up the spray paint. It didn't take very well for some reason on the back. I think there was too many scratches on it. I did a flat black on the bottom. This way I could paint the tires. I didn't go gloss. Another decal underneath, caution. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. I mean, for what it looked like before to now, I think it's a great conversion. Again, check out Hector Ortiz for these decals if you're interested. Hope you guys enjoy this. I am still collecting 1/6 scale, even though I'm not on the Man Cave show on Mondays. So appreciate everybody watching, and as always, keep on collecting.